Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily reset the input source on your TCL 27G64. So first, let's head over to the settings and here select the menu. Now we can go to the input and here change the settings. So basically we can reset it right here. Now if we want to decline it, we need to swipe up or down, then just click OK. So basically no, and then here we can click on OK, which is yes, to reset those settings to the default ones. So let's click on it. As you guys can see, it already changed, but it had nothing to change because we haven't changed anything. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.